Hi guys, welcoming you all to my channel Clear Cut Concepts. So in this video we are going to discuss current affairs April 2021. So it is necessary for our teaching exams. So for our teaching exams we need important things only, not in elaborate I think. So whatever necessary for our exams, I downloaded from the AWES syllabus and then NVS, KVS. Those points we will discuss it. So really it will helpful for your exam. So let's get started. So first one is ranking. Ranking Gender Gap Index 2021. So India got 148th rank. Top country is Thailand. So who published this one? WEF, World Economic Forum. Okay. And then, okay. So Gender Gap Index 2021. So India got the rank 140th. Top country is Thailand. So WEF publishing this result. So what are the norms for selecting the rank? They are selecting political empowerment. Under these are the conditions: political empowerment, education, attainment, health and survival. So these are the key points for selecting the rank. India got 140. Okay, next come to the Inclusive Internet Index. This one is India got 49th rank. So already we were in 52. This time we got 49. Because nowadays we are using internet more than previously. So Sweden in the first position. We are in the 49th rank. The reason is school colleges are updated using the internet resources. Okay, we are in the 49th rank. Next one, World Press Freedom Index. This is, we are in 142 rank. Norway is in the first position. So indirectly, we are not getting the freedom. That is the meaning I think. Yes. Next, Energy Transition Index, ETI. So we got 87th rank. So who published this result? WEF, World Economic Forum. Okay, WEF. So here they are considering economic development, growth and environmental sustainability. Okay, so sustainability and then energy security and then access indicator. These are the norms for selecting the rank. India got 87th rank. Next is CIPRI, military expenditure. We are in the third rank. We are in the third rank, US in the first rank. So the organization released the rank as Stockholm International Peace and Research Institute. One of the year we got in the abbreviation of these letters. So Stockholm International Peace and Research Institute. Come to the next one, Chandler Good Government Index. That one we got 49th rank. Okay. So this one is released by Chandler Institute of Governance based in Singapore. This is based on government's capability and the outcomes. So capability and the outcomes, they are considering as the norms. Okay. Capability and the outcomes. So we got 49th rank. So these are the rank important. Next come to the international news. Only 3 are accepted. Russia registered world first COVID-19 vaccine for animals named Carnivoc Cebu cow. Singapore becomes the first country to rectify mega free trade agreement. Okay. Regional Comprehensive Economic and Partnership, RCEP. RECEP. Singapore is the first country in the trading. And then NASA said to the launch SpaceX Crew 2. SpaceX Crew 2. This is the name. So NASA launched SpaceX Crew 2 mission on April 22 with 4 astronauts. Okay, with 4 astronauts. The name is SpaceX Crew. Come to the next one, awards. This is very important. First award is Saraswati Samman 2020. So this one is regarding the book Sanatan. Who got this award? Saran Kumar Limbale. Saran Kumar Limbale. So he is a Marathi writer. Okay. So this book is Sanatan. So this book is related historical document of Dalit struggles. This book is related this topic. Okay. So this one is Saraswati Samman Award represents outstanding in prose or poetry. Those are outstanding in prose and poetry. This is literary award. Literacy works along 22 languages. So this year Marathi writer Saran Kumar Limbale got this award. Next award, 51st Dada Saheb Phalke Award. This one is got by Rajinikanth from Tamil Nadu. Actor Rajinikanth, TN, Tamil Nadu. So the Tutinjan's Gaurun Phalke Award. So it is given by the name of Dada Saheb Phalke Award. The recipient Rajinikanth will receive Swarna Kamal medallion, Golden Lotus. So Golden Lotus will be given to him. Golden Lotus. That is Swarna Kamal medal. And then one shawl. And then cash prize 10 lakh rupees. That is the recipient will receive. This is for Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Next come to the Ratna, Kalinga Ratna Samman. This award gives to governors. This award is for governors. So this year Vice President Venkaiah Naidu gave this award to Biswa Bhushan Harichandran. So the awardee carried the silver statue. So this one, the awardee will already received silver statue with copper plate. That is copper bottom. Kalinga Ratna Award. Okay. Who is Biswa Harichandran? AP Governor. Andhra Pradesh. Where is it? The pen? AP Governor. Andhra Pradesh Governor. He is a Andhra Pradesh Governor. Come to the next award. G.D. Birla Award for scientific research. G.D. Birla Award. So every year they declare the award. So it carries 1.5 lakh rupees. So this year Suman Chakraborty got this award. So he is from IIT Kharagpur. IIT Kharagpur. Next, Veermi Award. This is given by Chhattisgarh government to recognize contribution of Indian women different field. It may be art, sports, education, overall. So, Duti Chand selected for this award. So, Indian women in different field, including sports. So, virtually they conducted the award function. So, who is Duti Chand? She is a Odisha. She is from Odisha. He is a sprinter and then gold medalist. Sprinter and gold medalist. He got gold medal in World University Games at 2000 Italy in 2019. He got the gold medal. So her national record is 11.22 second in 100 meters. Okay, that is her record. Next, come to the next topic, appointment and resignation. So who are appointed? So ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. So chairman and managing director. Who is the chairman? Subhas Kumar, chairman of ONGC. Next, ESIC, Employees State Insurance Corporation. Director General is Mukmi Bhatia. And then Britannia Industries, additional director is Urjit Patil. And then BESB, Public Enterprise Selection Board, chairperson is Mallika Srinivasan. And then this is important, 48 Chief Justice of India. Our 48 Chief Justice of India, organization is Supreme Court. Who selected? Muthalapati Venkata Ramana. Okay. NVR. Muthalapati Venkata Ramana selected as 48 Chief Justice of India. And then Ministry of Finance, two posters are there, Revenue Secretary Tarun Bajaj and then Economic Affairs Secretary Ajay Seth. Okay, and then Virat Kohli act as brand ambassador of two things. One is Digit Insurance, second one is Vivo. Digit Insurance and then Vivo. So Digit Insurance chairman or founder and chairman of Digit Insurance is also important. Always come with something. So Digit Insurance is Kamesh Goyal. This is the Virat Kohli as brand ambassador of Digit Insurance and Vivo, these two. Next, come to the next one, books and the author. This is also important. Important books. Just read out the names and note it on your book twice or thrice or watch the video again. You will be familiar with the names. Nitin Pogle. He has written the book Manohar Parrikar, Brilliant Mind and Simple Life. So who is Manohar Parrikar? Goa CM. Previous. She was the CM in Goa, not present. So Nitin Pogle book is Manohar Parikar's Brilliant Mind and Simple Life. Second, Sailendra Joshi, Supriya Kalana. J.K. Rowling book always you need to know. The Christmas Big. The Christmas Pick will be released in October 12. Okay, not released yet. Next, Suresh Raina book, Believe What Life and Cricket Taught Me. So, Believe What Life and Cricket Taught Me. Suresh Raina's book, which is autobiography of Raina. Next, Akash Ranjan book is Climate Changes Explained for One and All. Okay, Amit Ghosh book is The Living Mountain, A Fable for Our Times. Next, Zumba Lagari's book is Whereabouts. These are the important books in the month of April. Next, PM Modi released one book, Odisha Itikas. So it is written by Hare Krishna Mehadab. Hare Krishna Mehadab. So the Hindi version released by PM Modi. So book written by Hare Krishna Mehadab. He was a former freedom fighter of Odisha. So it's translated in Hindi by Sankarlal Rohit. So originally it is written by Odisha language, Odishi, and then later it is converted into Hindi language. Hindi language book, Hindi version is released by PM Modi. Okay, the book is Odisha Itikas, written by Hare Krishna Mehadab. This is important name. Hare Krishna Mehadab. Next award is Abu Dhabi's Top Civilian Award. Abu Dhabi's Top Civilian Award given by Abu Dhabi Prince Said Mohammed bin Said. Who got this award? Yusufai no, he got this award. Okay. So Abu Dhabi's business and industry support to various filament initiatives. So who got this award? Yusufali MA got this award. Abu Dhabi's Top Civilian Award. Next, Education Minister Pokhriyal Nishank present Leelavati Awards 2020 to 6 institutions. So these are the institutions. These are the 6 institutions. Okay. So you have to remember Women's Health. Women's Health. Winner is WAT Women Health Institution of Technology, Maharashtra. Defense. Self-defense is Parikrama from Tamil Nadu. Sanitation and hygienic is Ishotaria, Maharashtra. So Maharashtra got 2 awards. Literacy, Pune, again Maharashtra. Women Entrepreneurs, SWEAT, Sona Women Entrepreneurs, Tamil Nadu. Legal Awareness, Tyagaraja Polytechnic College, VDLC from Tamil Nadu. So 3 from Tamil Nadu and 2 from Maharashtra. So this thing, take a screenshot and then you can practice, or I will give in the description box also. You can download it and practice it again and again. So Marathi film Pugalia wins the Best Foreign Language feature at Moscow International Film Award. Marathi's film Pugalia. Okay. Next, conference and summit. So Nirmala Sitharaman attend 130th Development Committee meeting of the World Bank IMF meeting attended by Nirmala Sitharaman. And then second, strategic partnership on water. This was signed by 2 prime ministers. One is our Narendra Modi and then another one is Netherlands Prime Minister Mark Rutte. Netherlands Prime Minister. Next, 2021 Raisina dialogue is Raisina organization is digital format. They inaugurated. The theme is viral world, outbreaks, outliers and out of control. This is the theme of this Raisina dialogue organization. Next, one more conference is IAF. IAF Commanders Conference 2021. AFCC 2021. IAF Commanders Conference by Rajnath Singh. So the theme of IAF Commanders Conference is reorienting for the future. These are the 4 conferences held in April. Next, some defense news. So Vajra Prahar 2021. This is a special force training at Bangalore, Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Indo-US Joint Special Force Program. Indo-US Joint Special Force Programs. Name is Vajra Prahar, held at Bangalore, Himachal Pradesh. And then Indian Army Multi-Military Exercise. Chandar OG Roshan 2021, Bangladesh. Just to read out the names. And then 4 batch of 3 Rafale fighters jet land in India from France. Okay. And then 8th India Gajra Joint Special Force Exercises Kanjar begins at Bispo. And then this one is important, Varuna 2021. So mainly Varuna 2021 and Vajra Prahar 2021. This is Indo-US project Vajra Prahar. This one is conducted in Arabian Sea. 25th April to 27th, India and France. So Varuna, India and France. Vajra, India and US. These 2 are mainly important. And then DRDO, 5th generation Python air-to-air missiles. Tejas aircraft at Goa. So Python 5 air-to-air missile. Okay, this one is successfully tested in Goa. These 3 are important. Come to the next one. The biggest floating solar power plant inaugurated in Telangana. Solar power plant, Telangana. So it is by National Thermal Power Corporation. National Power Thermal Corporation, NTPC. Where it is located? Ramagundam Thermal Power Plant Reservoir. Okay, this is from Telangana. Okay, so solar power plant 100 mV is being commissioned by NTPC. This is important. Next, Tulaya Festival. Where it is? Jammu and Kashmir. The festival is every year conducted in Jammu and Kashmir. And then Rajasthan is the first state to launch the health insurance for all residents. That is important. Next, come to DRDO Supplementary Oxygen Delivery System, SpO2. What is SpO2? I'm writing here SpO2. So S stands for saturation and then P stands for pulse, saturation, pulse, O2, oxygen. Okay. So Indian Army mild COVID patients, SpO2, oxygen saturation supplementary delivery system. Okay. So what is the work? What is the point of SpO2? amount of oxygen in the hemoglobin. So we could find amount of oxygen in the hemoglobin by the instrument axometer. With the help of axometer, the project is find the oxygen level, oxygen saturated level in the body. So it is organized by DRDO, Indian, this one DRDO. Okay, so SpO2. Next, come to the important days. So 2nd April is World Autism Day. 2nd April, World Autism Day. Inclusion in the workplace, challenges and opportunities in post-pandemic. That is their motto. 2nd April 2 is the Children's Book Day. The theme is the music of words. The music of words. 5th April is International Day of Conscience. Let conscience light up our world. 16th April is Save Elephant Day. And then 23 April is World Book Day. Share a story. The theme is Share a story. Tourism Minister Prahlad Singh Patil inaugurates the online exhibition. So he inaugurates the online exhibition Ramakatha. Tourism Minister Prahlad Singh, the story of Rama through the miniatures. Okay. Come to the next one. Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal launches the Nano Sniffer, the world first microsensor based on explosive detector. So what is Nano Sniffer? So Nano Sniffer can detect the explosive in less than 10 seconds. Okay, and it is also identify and categorize the explosive different classes. That is, it detects all classes. If it is military or conventional or homemade explosive, find it by Nano Sniffer. Nano Sniffer could find and classify it the conditions. Okay, it is from military or conventional or home mode explosive. Okay, so based on explosive grade detector ETD. So this one just we recall it. Suman Chakra Kotri selected as 2021 Jeeravali Award. Tutichan Veerni Award. Okay, who is Tutichan? Sprinter from Odisha. Chhattisgarh government gave the award. Next, British Academy, BAFTA, British Academy of Film and Technology Awards. So 74th award. Best film is Nomadland. Nomadland got this award. Nomadland. Next, Wrestling Championship, Asian Wrestling Championship 2021. So it was conducted in Kazakhstan, Almaty. So we won 14 medal and 5 gold. Okay, and 14 medals we got, including bronze. Next one, Sanskrit app for learning the Sanskrit. Little Group has launched for learning Sanskrit. Next, Election Commissioner Sushil Chandra as sworn in the Chief Election Commissioner. Sushil Chandra appointed as Chief Election Commissioner. So already Sushil Arora was there, and then he replaces his place. He posted as a Chief Election Commissioner Sushil Chandra. And then NCAER appoints Poonam Gupta, new Director General of NCAER. What is NCAER? National Council of Applied Economic and Research. So Gupta is the first woman Director General. So that's why it is very, very important. NCAER. Poonam Gupta, Director General, first woman also. And then Niti Aayog launches Poshan Gayan. So what is that? This is regarding health and nutrition information. Health and nutrition information. Next, Indo-Tibetan border, ITBP. Indo-Tibetan border, ITBP has established, what is that? Water Sports and Adventure Institute. Where it is located? Near Dehri Dam Reservoir, Uttarakhand. Okay. So WSAI, Water Sports Adventure Institute. It is located in Dehri Dam Reservoir in Uttarakhand. Who launched this one? Indo-Tibetan Border Police. Okay. This is also important. Next, Priyanka Mohit. So she is a mountaineer. She said Mount Annapurna, 10th highest mountain in the world. The mountaineer Priyanka achieved this point. First Indian woman to scale the Mount Annapurna. So where is from? Satara district, Maharashtra. She is from Satara district, Maharashtra. Who? Priyanka Mohit. Okay. So she is also the first Indian woman. And then Odisha celebrates 86th statehood. The name is Utkala Divasa. Who celebrated? Odisha. And then Srishtra Hirantikeshi in Sidra becomes a fifth biological heritage. Where it is located? Maharashtra. Okay, this is Hiranyageshi in Sidra becomes the fifth biological heritage. They added fifth one in Maharashtra. Next, Jeff Bezos stops Forbes. So every year Forbes releases millionaires. Okay, annual billionaire list. Okay, who is in the first? Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos in first position. He has 177 billion. Okay. And then Mukesh Ambani in 10th position. He has $84.5 billion. Okay. So he is in the first position, Jeff Bezos, by Forbes declaration. Okay. According to Forbes news, Jeff in first position. So thank you all. Patiently watch this video. So like our channel, comment and subscribe our channel. It will help for your teaching exam. Once again, thank you to your teachers. All the best for your exams.